Hello and good day to you. And today I'm going to show you exactly how to have your Mac basically turn anything into an audiobook. Okay, so I've been using this for a long time. I don't know if many people talk about this. People think that it's gonna talk like a robot, but no, you go into accessibility, you change the voice into Siri, and they're gonna have the best quality speaking. This is how it's gonna sound. Here's my book that I'm writing right now, and listen to this.
I don't know about you, but I can tell you personally I do not give a nickel if my woman is constantly talking to other men. Tell you personally I do not give a nickel if my woman is constantly talking to other men spending money on them. But in the end, she only has sex with me in a way this would be even ideal because then I can focus on my learning doing fun stuff hanging out with the guys. But I have sex with her.
So, alright, this is probably not the best piece of text that I chose for YouTube, but anyways, this is exactly how it sounds. And how you do this: you go to accessibility, you go to settings, and here you have accessibility. There you go. You go to spoken content, then you go to speak selection, right? And you can set whatever you want. For me, it's command option S. And then you go here, and if you don't see Siri voice, because the other ones are robotic, so I would really recommend you to use the Siri voice. Then you click on the I, you go into voices, and then you download the voice that you like. All right. So this is how you do it. I hope if you're a dyslexic or someone who has, like me, trouble focusing on the text, like reading, but the spoken keeps me like pushing me forward through the text and I can understand the context better. Use this and enjoy. Have a good day. Bye.